Hello, everyone. I'm AYANA, a Vtuber.
Today we'll explain how to customize export file settings.
Let's begin. Let's start.
If there are multiple sequences, select the sequence that you want to export. From File, select Export, select Media. Export Settings window will be shown in this way. Select Format H.264. We will select preset suitable for our purposes. In Video tab, take a look at bitrate settings. Bitrate is the data size per second. The higher the target bitrate, the higher the image quality, but the larger the data size. Bitrate encoding comprises CBR and VBR. Let's think of CBR as image quality priority and VBR as data size priority. In VBR, there are two types, 1-pass and 2-pass. Compared to 1-pass, 2-pass is more accurate. When checking Import into Project, the videos exported will be imported into the project panel. You can predict the file size of the video to be exported from estimated file size. At Image Overlay in the Effect tab, you can add a logo mark when exporting a video. At Applied, choose to select the image you want. On the Publish tab, you can set to publish and upload videos to YouTube at the same time. This concludes my explanation on how to customize the export file settings.
How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.